Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Credential Manager and Microsoft Authenticator, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Credential Manager and Microsoft Authenticator, start by ensuring you have both tools installed on your device. Open your Windows device and locate the Start menu. Type Credential Manager in the search bar and select it. In the Credential Manager window, click on Windows Credentials. Next, click Add a Windows credential. Provide the username and password associated with your account. Click OK to save the new credential. Now, move to your mobile device and open the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and select Add Account. Choose Work or School Account or other, Google, Facebook, etc. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. This often involves scanning a QR code or entering a verification code. If prompted, ensure notifications are enabled for the Authenticator app. Now, return to your Windows device. Open the app or service you're trying to access and enter your username. Next, you will receive a notification on Microsoft Authenticator. Open the app and check for the authentication request. Approve the request to complete the sign-in process. If you are using two-factor authentication, you may need to enter a code generated by the app. Locate the code in Microsoft Authenticator and input it in the login screen. Once you enter the code, you should have access to your account. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated using Credential Manager and Microsoft Authenticator. Make sure to keep your Microsoft Authenticator app updated for seamless authentication in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.